Hey guys, I typically don't do this type of video, but I need your guys' help. I don't care if you're a mechanic, I don't care if you're a car guy, I don't care if you're a citizen that knows their knowledge about cars. Give me all the advice you can. So, starting this winter, my car has been making this weird knocking noise from the front end. Typically more leaning towards the driver's side front wheel. Now, I don't know what it is. At first, I thought it was an axle, but when I drive, the noise typically comes from like 10 to 40 miles an hour, and it's now louder for some reason, so that can't be good. But it typically happens around there between first gear or to fourth gear. And once you hit highway speeds, you don't hear it anymore. I don't know if that's because of like drone or cabin noise, or it just doesn't happen. But yeah, now it's getting louder, and me and my dad have noticed that once you hit the brakes, the noise disappears. So we're now thinking it's the brake pads, because we lifted the car above the ground and it was on a lift, and we spun the driver's side wheel around both ways, and it did not hear that knocking noise, and nothing looked out of the ordinary. So I'm more leaning towards brake pads, but I still want your guys' advice to know what I can or I should do. So the next couple of seconds, it's going to be clips of me driving back and forward. I'm in an open parking lot, so nothing to worry about. So here we go. Now put down the wheel or the windows so you can better hear it. Yeah. It's freaking cold outside, so I can't stick my hand out anymore. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, because this sound is very alarming, and I am planning on fixing it in the near week.